Ever wanted to create those mind-blowing transitions and effects you see online? Well, AI is about to change the game. What's up, creative crew? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how you can use AI for seamless transitions and effects. Fast! Let's be honest, traditional video editing can be tedious. It takes time and effort to achieve those smooth transitions. But AI is here to make your editing dreams a reality. With AI, you can generate incredible transitions and effects in minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the basics. How exactly does AI fit into all of this? Well, at its core, AI uses machine learning to analyze videos, identifying patterns, objects, and movements to create these amazing effects. By learning from thousands of examples, the AI can then generate new transitions and effects, giving you a massive creative boost. And the benefits are pretty incredible. We're talking speed, efficiency, and creativity all rolled into one. With AI, generating high-quality transitions and effects isn't just faster, it's also far more accessible. It used to take years of experience to get transitions to a certain quality, but with AI it can now be done by pretty much anyone. And we can unlock all sorts of new visual styles and effects that just wouldn't have been possible with manual techniques. And there are so many options out there, from AI-powered transition generators to visual effects tools, all the way to dedicated AI plugins that work inside your favorite video editing software. Let's see them in action. Okay, let's start by checking out an AI-powered transition generator. I'm going to use a tool that allows us to quickly generate transitions using just a couple of clips. So I'm going to start by uploading 2 video clips, and then I'm going to show you the different transition styles. These tools are ridiculously easy to use, and with just a couple of clicks, you can apply an AI-generated transition, completely customized to your style. I can easily switch between transitions, and there are some awesome options here. We've got smooth morphing transitions that blend clips seamlessly. We have creative glitch effects that give our videos a super modern feel. And we have stylized wipes that can add a ton of visual flair to any video. And all of this is generated in just seconds. AI is truly changing how we think about video transitions, and for all of the better. Now let's move on to visual effects, or VFX. With AI, you can now create complex VFX in minutes, not hours, and I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show you an example from a tool like Adobe Premiere Pro, using its powerful AI-powered features. Okay, let's enhance and stabilize some shaky footage thanks to AI, and now let's add an AI-powered visual effect, like a background removal. With just a few clicks, I can completely change the way my video looks. AI is allowing us to experiment with visual effects like never before. And it doesn't end there. AI can also be used to make object tracking easier than ever before. And all of the AI-powered parameters are fully customizable, so you can make your videos look exactly how you want them to. You can adjust the settings for any effect to get that perfect result. Now, let's talk about integration. Many of you are probably already using popular video editing software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Well, the good news is that AI is now being integrated into those programs as well. I'm going to show you how to use these AI plugins right within your existing workflow. Here, I'm installing an AI plugin directly into Premiere Pro. This makes things incredibly simple. Now, I can easily access a lot of these AI features without ever having to leave Premiere Pro. The real benefit of these plugins is that you get a seamless workflow, without having to jump back and forth between programs. The UI is exactly the same, so there's no real learning curve, and you're getting all of that powerful AI functionality right where you want it. So what's next for AI in video editing? Well, it's looking like we're just scratching the surface. We're going to see some seriously amazing tools coming in the near future. We're talking things like predictive editing suggestions, AI-powered automatic color grading and audio mixing, and even more sophisticated generative video tools. The future of video editing is about to get a whole lot easier and a whole lot more powerful. But as with any new technology, we do need to think about the ethical implications. We need to ask some serious questions, such as, how are we going to protect ourselves from misuse? And how do we find the balance between human creativity and automation? All right, video creators, that's it for today. We've explored how AI is completely transforming the world of video transitions and effects. The reality is that AI is here, and it's here to stay. And the AI tools I showed you are only getting better and more accessible. The key takeaway is that AI is here to empower your creativity, not diminish it. So, go out there, experiment with these tools, and let's see what amazing things you can create. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming video editing tutorials. Share your creations in the comments and let me know what AI tools you're most excited to try. As always, stay creative, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.